wholesale business gives the good margins to resellers as well as retailers and the new sellers who came on the. Today I'm going to talk about the online wholesale business. Wholesale business, I think so, just an idea in which we get products from warehouses in a bulk on low prices and reselling it on a good margin. I think so. Wholesale business gives the good margins to resellers as well as retailers and the new sellers who came on the different marketplaces like TikTok, Seller Shop, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Amazon, Shopify. These sort of big platforms, online platforms who give opportunities to sellers and retailers for online wholesale business. I think so. Each and every person who wanna do business online who must pay attention towards it because of this is the one of the best way to get good margins. This store opens 24/7 365 because of you don't need to sit on a shop. This gives you opportunity. You just run your big business by only one your phone and your laptop. Thank you.